Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. We're back in the YJ, and this time I'm not going to be doing the work. We're going to take it up to the shop so they can put the new tires on it. So again, this is an 88 YJ, and these tires are from 1994. We got to get these tires off. So you're not really supposed to drive on tires that are more than 10 years old. And you can see it's kind of bulging right there. See, right here, 104Q. So if it was made before 2000, it'd be the week of the year, so the 10th week of the year, and then the last digit of the year. And they only did this by decade until 2000. So this is a 1994 tire. You can tell that's a Q right there. So we need to get these off immediately. I have been running 30-inch tires on this, 30 by 9.5 by 15. The new ones, I'm going up to 31s. I was looking at 33-inch wheels, but they were just gonna make it too hard to steer. I mean, again, this is a manual steering. This has no power steering, so going with the wider, bigger tires, just more rubber, more weight, is gonna be too difficult. And also I didn't want it to rub the fender wells. This only has a 2.5-inch lift on it, so going up to the 31s from 30-inch, not a major difference, but I'm gonna go with the BF Goodrich KO2s. So excited to see what it's gonna look like, but we're gonna get it up there so they can get the tires swapped out on it. All right, here we go. Made it to Ken Towery's. Gonna get these BF Goodriches on and get out of here. All right, so here it is, the finished product. Finally got these tires on. So these are the BF Goodrich KO2s. So I ended up getting 31-inch tires right here. So 31s, and I think it looks pretty good. So the setup on the Jeep right now, I got a 2.5-inch lift and 31-inch tires. I was gonna go with 33s, but because it's older, I didn't want to put that stress on all the steering components. And also I didn't want it to rub. And it's manual steering right now, even though I am gonna upgrade it to power steering. I didn't want to make it that much more difficult to turn. Already, you gotta put a lot of muscle into it to turn the wheel. So I figured I'll put the 31s on for now, be happy with it. I got a great deal on these tires. Got them for $220 each. So, I think normally they're around like $280 or $285. So $220 on all the tires, got them all the way around. Really happy with the way it rides. I think it feels easier to turn now because even though they are more grippy, the other tires that I had were all season, not all terrain. So there was more surface area always touching the ground. So I feel like it made it a little bit tougher to turn. These are relatively easy to turn in a manual steering car. And again, they're only 31. So I went up from 30-inch tires to 31-inch tires. It does sit a little bit different, but hardly at all, like a half an inch taller, but really happy with the way it turned out. And so now I've done the lift kit, which replaced the leaf springs and the shocks. I've got the new tires and I've got the new seats. This thing rides so comfortably now. Really happy with all the upgrades. Wheels were $220 each, installed was about $1,000 altogether. The two new front seats, I ended up getting a deal on those, so I got them for a little under $400 a seat, so call it $800 after tax. And then the lift kit I got on sale for $499. $2,300, brand new leaf springs, brand new shocks, brand new tires, and brand new front seats. It makes it ride like a brand new car, and it's an 88. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.